Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to auto caption in CapCut for free. It's very easy and quick, just watch the video till the end. So first, slide down this panel below and click the caption button. And if you want a bilingual caption, just click this button. And if you want to change the language, just click this button and browse for a language you would use. Just select what you want. Then, click Generate when you're done. After the caption is generated, it will show up here, and you can adjust the size of the caption by dragging its points. And if you want to change the color and the font of the text, just click this button and choose the design you want. And that's it. It's very quick and simple. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up and don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.